Can you repeat what you said about negative keywords, please? Yeah, sure. So Gideon, what I meant was when we sort out all the ad groups, and let's say this dentist does not offer emergency dentist. I'm just giving us an example. Take those keywords, put them up in an account level negative list so that it applies to the whole account, and then apply all the campaigns to that negative list so you don't waste money. So hope that makes sense. So any services in that on that spreadsheet which are not relevant to that business, put them up as negative keywords in an account level negative keyword list, not at campaign or ad group, because they will can get triggered in other ones at account level.